In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the UpBank mobile app. Whether you're using an Android smartphone or an iPhone, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring it's both quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the application store on your device. If you're using an Android phone, you'll want to locate and open the Google Play Store, which is usually located on your home screen or within your app drawer. Now, if you're on an iPhone, simply open the App Store. It should be straightforward to find, usually indicated by a blue icon with a white letter A. Next up, it's time to search for the app. Using the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Up Better Banking or simply UpBank. You'll want to look for the official app. It's easy to spot with its distinctive orange Up logo. Just make sure it's published by Up Money Thai Limited. This is important to ensure you're downloading the legitimate version of the app. Once you've found the right app, go ahead and tap either Install if you're on an Android device or Get if you're using an iPhone. The app will start to download and install on your device. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so just hang tight and let the process complete fully. After the app has been successfully installed on your device, it's time to open it up. You can simply tap on Open within the App Store or locate the new app icon on your home screen. Upon opening it, you'll be greeted by the Up Welcome screen. This is where you'll have the option to either sign up for a new account or log in if you're already a user. If you're new to UpBank, select the Sign Up option. Here, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. Remember, verifying your identity is usually a part of this process, so ensure you have the necessary documents handy. On the other hand, if you've already got an UpBank account, you can just tap on Log In. Enter your credentials, and you'll be all set. Lastly, the app might prompt you to enable notifications and set up some security features. This could include allowing notifications, or enabling Face ID, fingerprint login, or setting up a passcode. It's advisable to tap Allow or Enable on these options for enhanced security and easier access to your banking app. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and set up the UpBank mobile app on your device. If this video helped you out, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!